Checking out this magnetic mount that's adjustable for the Starlink Mini. Opening up out of the box here for the first time. I like that it's just some cardboard and one piece of styrofoam to keep it all together. We've got the magnets, we've got the brackets. Looks like we've got a bit of hardware here and a tool. Each of the magnets is connected here to the bracket for shipping. You can see the 5-step installation process where you identify the parts. We're going to relocate and move those magnets to the one side. We'll use those nuts to screw it down. Then we've got brackets that go to the side, and those are adjustable. And then we'll set our Starlink Mini receiver into it. Let me go ahead and do that real quick. First off, I'm pretty impressed with the thickness of this. And these magnets are no joke. They've got a material on the bottom, makes them a little non-stick, but these are strong magnets, and there's 4 of them. It really just took a few minutes to put together a washer and a nut at the top of each magnet, and then just screw in these bolts. So there's just 8 things to tighten down. There's some anti-slip that gets stuck on with adhesive. And now we've got the Starlink Mini receiver here, and you can see that it's going to clip into place here. It looks like I should have put it in before I put on the bracket, so that's good to know. Once this is in, it's in. So I'm going to go ahead and loosen this side, and that'll give me some wiggle room to drop the antenna into the bracket here, and this is going to be real secure. By loosening up just the one side here, I'm able to open it enough to get the antenna to drop into place. And now I can just go ahead and tighten this back up, and that antenna is not going anywhere. So overall, I'm definitely impressed. You're going to get 4 strong attachment points with magnets. That means you're going to be able to adjust it any way, kind of clockwise or counterclockwise on the vehicle. Then you're going to be able to adjust these adjustments up and down, so you'll really be able to align it just how you need to. Plenty of room for the cables here, and this is sturdy and it is not going anywhere. You could drive the vehicle with this on it. I want to thank them for sending us this one to check out. I hope this helps.